Hi guys, JackieM here, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make homemade tofu. And you just need a couple of easy ingredients. One of them is soy drink, unsweetened soy drink, which you can pick up at your local Asian grocery store in the refrigerator section. Make sure it's unsweetened. Otherwise, you can extract your own soy milk, but we can cross that bridge later on. But also you need eggs. You need 7 large eggs and also some salt and pepper. And also in this particular instance, I'm going to actually utilize my ThermoCook because of its blending functionality and its steaming functionality. I'm just going to quickly show you the video. It's very quick, and you can have a look. Here we go. So soy drink plus 7 eggs, and that's the ThermoCook bowl here. I have to admit, I actually forgot to put the blade in when I started pouring the soy drink in, but I did fix that later on. So all of that in there with a bit of salt and pepper. So just crack the eggs, there you go, that's where the blade goes in. And after blending it, this is what it looks like. And you're going to notice that it's a little bit frothy. So what you do want to do is actually just feed it through a fine sieve, right? I have to admit, I actually got a little bit carried away with the pepper. So you're going to see, if you see like all these little specks in the end result, that's because of the pepper. So you can decide like whether you want to omit the pepper, use less of it, or whatever. Okay, so all the bubbles out, the foam out. And then what you want to do is you want to go away and rinse your bowl and fill it up, this time with water. In the meantime, you're going to pour the mixture into molds, okay, or a mold. I'm using these silicone molds because I actually just bought them in the last week and I wanted to try them out. So but if you don't have them, no biggie. You can just use a normal tray as long as it fits into your steamer. And this particular silicone mold actually fit perfectly in the oblong shaped ThermoCook steamer. Okay, now you notice with the ThermoCook, I didn't actually put a blade in this time. Using the steaming function in the ThermoCook, you don't actually need a blade, okay, unlike the Thermomix. And also you notice that the ThermoCook steamer basket actually goes directly on top of the bowl. It doesn't sit on the lid on the bowl, okay, which as required with the Thermomix, which means that all the steam goes straight through with, instead of being funneled through a small opening on the lid of the TM6. Okay, so ThermoCook after 30 minutes on steaming function, this is what it's going to look like. Just take it out, remove the lid, and again, if you're not using something with a lid, you do want to actually cover the surface of the tofu, otherwise all the water will go back into it. Okay, so this is what it looks like now, and here we go. After it's been cooled down, you just want to just tip it out. And I didn't actually grease the silicone molds or anything like that. Depending on whatever it is you're steaming it on you may need to grease it. Okay, but voila, just cutting them into squares now, or into cubes, whatever size you want. And here you go, and you can use this in your cooking. You can eat it straight, you can stuff it for yong tofu, you can deep fry it as well if you like, okay, which is kind of like my favorite. Okay, so very easy. 7 large eggs plus 2 cups of unsweetened soy drink or soy milk, and this is what you get in the end. And this is the deep fried version. Give it a go, let me know how it turns out.